Hi everyone, my name is Johanna Zelaya, and I am here in my classroom. I teach UPK, 4-year-olds. They're not here right now, so I'm just going to be doing this by myself. My lesson is on measurement, so I just have a simple definition here, what measurement is, and then on the bottom I have the standard. Now this standard is for pre-K, but my lesson would be for kindergarten. So I would just have to change and, put the kindergarten standard there. But I figured it's okay for right now. So that's my lesson. So let's start. All right. Hi, guys. Today we're going to be learning about measurements. Long word, measurements. Now, when we measure, we want to find out how, how tall things are, how short they are, or how long they are. Okay, so we've been talking a lot about transportation and vehicles and the different types of vehicles that we have. So here I have a few different vehicles of different sizes. If it's a delivery truck, another type of truck, a police car, and a Hess truck. Very popular Hess truck. So I want you to say, let's see, we want to know how long these trucks are. So let's see, I want you, well, before we get into that, I want you to think back to a time when you went to the doctor and the doctor measured you, right? So you stand on the scale and the doctor wants to know how tall you are. That's right. So the doctor measures to see how tall you are. And every time you go, the doctor will measure you. So the doctor wants to know, how many inches did you grow since the last time you went to the doctor? Well, for this activity, instead of using inches, we're going to use our Unifix cubes, okay? And also, we don't want to know how tall the vehicles are. We want to know how long they are. So, if I want to know how long they are, do I go up? Do I stack them up? Or should I connect them and go across? Madeline? That's right, across. We go across. So let's see. Also, when you measure, you want to go from one end to the next end. So let's see, how many is it going to take to get from one end to the next end. So here I am connecting my cubes until I get to the very end of the vehicle. And I think I'm okay here. So I don't need to add more. Now let's see, how many did I put? Let's count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many did we use? 7, that's right. So this vehicle is 7 Unifix cubes long. Okay? So now I want you to work with your partner. And you guys are going to work together and you're going to measure each vehicle on your own. And then we'll get together again and see which ones are the longest, which one is the longest, and which one is the shortest, okay? And then we're going to put it on a graph. Okay, we're going to put it on the graph and you're going to write down how many cubes you used for each vehicle. Okay? All right, go ahead. Use the cubes and work with your partner. Remember, you don't want to go up, you want to go across, and you want to go from one end to the other end, okay? So that would be my lesson on measurements, and then we would compare, what we found, how many did we use, and we would put it on a graph. So for kindergarten, for the most part, sorry, I thought I wasn't recording. For the most part, they can write their numbers and, fill in the graphs. So that's what they would do for this activity. And that's how I would know, if they understand the concept of measuring and of comparing the numbers and using words like the longest and the shortest. All right. I hope it was good.